fast, mechanical, synth-pop track about the endless loop of content creation. Whether by humans, machines, or something weird in between, Alice leads with a tired smile. Jamie delivers sardonic punches like a caffeinated machine learning model with sarcasm enabled. Woke up, wrote a song in my sleep. It's got a beat and lines that repeat. 3 chords, a mild synth break, emotion, moderate, authenticity fake.
Checked my inbox, a playlist pitch. Sounding tired is now a niche.
I auto-tuned my size at noon and rhymed algorithm with June. We're churning out tunes like a well-oiled bot. Give the people what they are not. We're churning out tunes in a dopamine haze. This song is available in 14 cliche plays. I sample my own regret. Used it once and called it net. Producer said, that's very raw. I said, it's just my compost drawer. A blog called it Neo, wasted core. I didn't know we had a genre anymore. I pressed a button and out it came. Feels like music, sounds the same. We're churning out tunes at 40 BPM. Prolove sadness with a process stem. We're churning out tunes on a Tuesday night. Call it art if the timing's right. How many plays does it take to feel real? Depends, is your heart in 4/4 or surreal? I tried to cry, but got a glitch. Just update your inner pitch. We're churning out tunes with ironic glee.